on some extra layers because I get cold.
What's up, folks? We are up here at the mountain, gonna go for the first snowboarding session of this winter, and it is actually Christmas Day. Snow looks average, but we're still gonna just go and have some fun. So we're up here at White Pass. It is sunny, it's blue skies, absolutely beautiful clear blue skies. So you psyched? Uh-oh. You ready, Speed Racer? Ready to shred the gnar, bruh? You gonna shred the gnar? Alright. Got our lift tickets. Now we just gotta walk about a mile to the lift. No, there's a lift here, but we're going to ride a different lift. And gonna fucking shred, y'all. Okay, we just got on the chair, first chair, and Ariel says that she just realized that she doesn't like snowboarding. But she says this every time we go, and then after like 1 or 2 runs, she's pumped, so you can do it, babe. It's not that bad. She's only scared of the lift, getting off the lift. But beautiful day out here. Looks like there's a little bit of powder down there, a little bit of powwow, so we're psyched. She's off and racing already. How was the first run? Scared? Not as bad as you thought? We're shredding. Yeah. Good thing. That's the update.
It's cold.
Cold? How cold?
Eskimo cold.
22 degrees Fahrenheit cold. Brr, brr. But it's well worth it because it's fun. Alright? and you can snowboard. You can.
No, not that.
She can. What, when you're totally shredded like me, you get snow all on your beard.
You stack it?
It's not from falling off. It's just from shredding so hard. That's how you get this. No, I ate shit. You shredding the gnar, bruh?
Yeah.
Shredding the gnar?
Shredding the gnar, bro.
Fucking gnarly, bro. What kind of snowboard is that?
It's like a children's spurt.
It's a baby Transformers. It's a 6-year-old kid's snowboard. Look at it. It's got Transformers on it.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Why don't you get a real
Why
snowboard?
didn't you get me one?
You gotta start shredding a little harder and then I'll buy you one. Just stopped up here in the trees just to take it all in. Nice, fresh, fluffy powder. It is freaking amazing up here. I love this place. White Pass is the second year coming here and it's always mellow, always pretty much no crowd basically. And it's always so beautiful. The snow's pretty good, so I'm pretty happy. It's Christmas Day, there's still months to go, so definitely gonna come up here some more and take in this beautiful place. Yeah.
Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
That's the last run. We are done.